Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now it has been 2 weeks since when I've unboxed my iPad, which you can watch from my previous video. And the first question is, how can I pair my Apple Pencil Pro with my iPad? And it turns out that you just need to snap it onto the iPad. It will connect and pair automatically. So smart, isn't it? Right? The Bluetooth will turn on its own and it will pair automatically. And if you have a battery widget enabled, it will tell you the battery level. The second thing, control center. Wow, this is what I like. Upper right hand corner, you swipe down, you can add controls now. Last time you're not allowed, right? You're not allowed to add controls here. So what are the two features? I think I will quite like the QR code scanner and the magnifying glass, which you can just add into here. And best of all, you can resize the shape and size. And you can add up to I think 2 or 3 pages of controls here, right? So I'll show you how to use it. Now, if you watch my video and you decided to add a new control, what is it, right? Now, the best part, you can actually take a picture and the system will convert it into text. You can share it with friends later as well. Then second one is a QR code. It's so smart, this QR code scanner. As long as it detects a QR code, it will automatically detect and launch the site. Next is the lower right hand corner. You can have floating keyboard. When I have a 11-inch iPad, it's so big, it would be nice if the keyboard is nearer and closer to my thumb in the left or right side. So easier for typing purpose. Floating keyboard or full-size keyboard, you just need to use 2 fingers, pinch in and out. You actually pinch in and out, you get a full-size pinch out. Okay. Then next, how can I make use of the shift key, right? If you want to use the letter above the letter, right? You just need to swipe down, right? Swipe down, hold and press and swipe down. Now, if this is first time watching video, remember subscribe to my channel, City Boy Liu. Did you know that you can actually also use to key in equation, which you can do it previously, yeah? So if you want to use a curly bracket, you just swipe lower left or swipe lower right, okay? Then you can have equations, you can have a fraction in your text. Right? You can increase and decrease the size, right? That's just what I found really useful. Next thing is the 3 dots, multitasking. Now it's available. The 3 dots. Press on the 3 dots. You can have another screen running at the side. Now I will introduce calculator. Yes, our S18, right? Calculator. You can have basic calculator. Yes, and at the same time you can have converter. Yeah, press on the lower left-hand corner. You can have convert currency conversion. Right? This is the conversion rate as of for today. And then beside calculator, converter, you can also convert other units as well. You just press on the currency. Next to currency, there's a drop-down menu, right? You can choose what to do. Right. Next would be scientific calculator. They have now a scientific calculator, sine, cos, tangent ratio, angle in degree. Right? Sine 30 is 0.5, so it's degree. Right? Then that's for calculator. Now next, one app that I like is called BIG. You can show large text onto the screen. I hope you subscribe to my channel, City Boy Liu. Next is actually called the Freeform. Freeform is an app to use. One good thing, if you have a pencil, you just write onto a few texts. You will convert your handwriting into text. That's wonderful, isn't it? By using the automatic pen. Then to start with, I would advise you to first find out the thickness, which pen that you like and what's the thickness, so that you know which thickness to write onto your iPad. That I would strongly recommend. Now, this is the beauty of Apple Pencil Pro. It has a built-in gyroscope, right? So you can actually tell, they will actually let you know, okay, which side is taken in the other side. That's the reason why I choose Apple Pencil Pro than from the previous 2 generations. And then you have also this size shape, yeah, add another few more shapes, yeah, for me. Now, one last part is actually insert. You can actually insert PDF file, for example. Now, this is Apple Pencil Pro. You can actually tap or squeeze the pencil. You tap it, you can change from pencil to eraser. Oh, now let's say, for example, now you can see just shadow my pencil writing, and then you actually squeeze it. You can change the color, and then you can do some annotation, right? Make some notes, side notes, and then you can actually tap it to get an eraser feature. This is what I found so far for my daily use, and come visit me again. I will show you more how I can use my iPad. That's all from me. Thank you.